In this video, I want to talk about my assignment 3, the expectation maximization of Gaussian mixture model. And this video actually helped me a lot of understanding what is expectation maximization and what is the Gaussian mixture model. And first, I want to run it. Okay. And in this program, first I read an image, which is an RGB image, and then convert it to a grayscale image. And the first part just play with OpenCV and try to get the histogram. This one is a histogram of 3 different colors, RGB colors, and this one is the grayscale histogram. And so from this point on, I just doing something by myself. First, I defined a Gaussian formula and a Gaussian function. And this part just to test what is the output of the Gaussian function, and it looks fine. And here, I just create the histogram from the picture, but using the histogram function in NumPy and plotted it out here. And the output here is using pixels instead of the probabilities. So the next step, I change the probability pixel to probabilities. Then got histogram here. Next step, I just want to combine my guess here. First, I guess the first, this might be the front and this might be background. So I just created 2 Gaussian models to fit in the histogram. However, they does not fit very well at the beginning. So I manually changed all the parameters in the Gaussian function, and finally, this one looks fine. And the most important thing here, I believe, the 2 parameters, the weight of the 2 Gaussian functions should always add to 1. So when I change the other parameters, I'll always keep the different weights of the Gaussian functions. The sum of them should be 1. And finally, I put the 2 Gaussian functions together and got this Gaussian modified model. And after that, I think this process I trained using my own hand manually changed it. So I believe I should do it using some automatic training, but that's very hard to implement in Python. Probably because my math is not that good. And so I tried a built-in package of the Gaussian function, the Gaussian mixture model. So here I just imported the Gaussian mixture model and try to use it. And the components is 2. It means only background and foreground. So 2 parts, and we can change this part to 3 or 4, so we can get different 3 or 4 different Gaussian functions. Okay, and finally, I just output it here, so looks fine. This one is the foreground and others are the background. Okay, that's it. Thank you.